Hey guys, I am back where you probably just saw. We went to Climeworks and now we're heading to eat at the Apple Barn. This is our kind of spring break that UT refused to give us, but we made our own. We cleared our schedules for the week and we're gonna be having our own mountain-esque spring break that we're gonna be up to. Apple Barn. Well guys, I made it back to the apartment and Sarah is gonna teach me how to play Minecraft.
She's never played it before, ever.
Thank you.
If you know anyone who has never played Minecraft before, that is not over the age of 40.
If you're under the age of 40 and has never played Minecraft, I guess you're missing out, according to Sarah. It's some huge thing that every kid must do. So here we are. I am a 19-year-old college student playing Minecraft for the first time, and I am not very good with video games. I have a history. Just ask my high school peers when I went over to their house. I played Mario Kart. You get into a bubble with the Mario Kart jumping thing, and it didn't go well. They told me to just get in a bubble and basically survive the whole time while they played the game. So, Sarah is currently building my house. This is baby Cruz on Minecraft. Look at the cow. My beautiful house. Let me show you guys the house that Sarah built for me because it's quite a sight. So, I am just using these control things to play Minecraft. Controller. So, here's my house. I'm gonna walk inside it.
Like this is
Maybe. I'm just gonna break in through the window. Okay.
Now show us everything you got in there.
So I have 7 cakes over here. There's actually 8 cakes because you never know when you might need to run into some cakes. And then in this chest, there's just 264 cookies. You're gonna have to trust me on that one because I don't know how to open the chest. And then over on this side,
You have ovens and a crafting table.
okay, now ovens to bake the cookies in case they're not crispy, and then a crafting table to make my pet cow some saddles and some shoes in case he might want some. So I am now outside. There's the good look at the house, and over here you'll see Sushi's cousin, and then a couple other llamas. Don't they just look neat? Coco and see this horse he really loves. There's My Little Pony, and then there's My Big Pony. There's some shrubs with a face. Let's go see the shrub face. Hey, shrub face. How you doing? Run into things. Oh, and I learned how to fly accidentally too. I'm not going to show you that because it gets complicated, and then I have to get rescued by a pilot. Oh, look, there's another shrub face guy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the tour. If you've been watching this long, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see me struggle with Minecraft some more. Update, we are now going to be playing Just Dance, and I feel like I will be slightly better at it. I know you can't run into any trees with Just Dance, so that's always a good thing. We're playing Just Dance 2021, and Sarah got it on Nintendo Switch, so this was gonna be fun. Haven't played Just Dance in like 2 or 3 years. So, and if you guys know me, I am the most eloquent dancer.
Oh my gosh. See, we're supposed to be down right now. Let me go up, you know?
Oh.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got it, yeah! I got it, yeah! Hey, I got second place again! Hey, 607. Good job. Once again, I'm back. And Sarah made us popcorn because we are going to be watching a movie. I think it's called Raya or Raya. I think it's Raya, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't get me in the comments on the pronunciation. But that's how we're gonna end our very eventful, packed day. We're gonna watch a movie. It's currently around 9:15, so we're gonna be watching a movie for about 2 hours, eating popcorn, kind of winding down, and then I will see you guys tomorrow for part 2 of this spring break adventure. Okay guys, welcome back to day 2 of spring break. It is now around 10:30 and I'm gonna be making some cookies, and then afterwards gonna have lunch. Then yes, we still do have to attend class. We don't get a free pass on that one, but it's really not too bad. I just have class on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So this class is around an hour and 20 minutes, around that time. So I'm gonna bake the cookies, go to class. Afterwards, we're gonna go to Imes Nature Center and go biking for a couple hours, come back, make homemade vegetable lasagna, which I am super excited about. I think we're also gonna be finishing the movie last night. It's actually called Raya and the Last Dragon. If any of you guys were interested, that's what we're gonna be up to because we got distracted last night and didn't end up watching the movie. We watched it for maybe 10 minutes. I am back and I just finished making the cookies. Let me show you guys how good they look. I was supposed to try it on camera, but I forgot and I already ate one. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it until I eat another one. Probably eat lunch before I eat 2 cookies, so I'm gonna refrain from eating another one just to show you guys. Here is the finished product. I added some oats for some healthiness, you know, gotta have that daily source of fiber. These are definitely not the typical cookies I made. I used Gatlinburg's cookie recipe and I will link that down below in the description. Oh my goodness, there's espresso powder in there and everything. These are my types of cookies. Guys, do you think I made enough cookies for 2 people? I wanna say that there's around 20 cookies right here. Yep, I think that 10 each should be sufficient. We made it to Imes Nature Center. I've got the beloved pink flamingo hat on, a frog shirt because I need to do laundry, and we are just ready to go and explore. Okay guys, this is the look. A mask and a hat. There we are. Hey. Life is good hat. What could be better than taking a stroll? But stay tuned because we're gonna be biking. So we ended up stopping at Honeybee Coffee and I've heard really great things about it, so I had to check it out. And I got a hot chocolate and so did Sarah because, you know, caffeine at 5:30 is probably not the wisest choice. And the hot chocolate tasted like milk, so it was not very good. Rated 3 out of 10. Sarah's was a little better, wasn't it? Yeah, I opened it up and it was milk. So we're gonna try it later and we'll let you know if the coffee is good here.
But go to Capybara Coffee for all your hot chocolate needs.
Yes, definitely Cappy. And even the coffee there, Cappy is so good. Hey guys, it's day 3 and I'm gonna be packing a picnic for Sarah and I. We're heading to Cade's Cove today. Guys, there is a deer straight down the field. This is as far as I can zoom in, but this is the first wildlife we've seen. It's just walking around. So guys, we learned a little lesson today. We are now in Gatlinburg, and we are not supposed to be in Gatlinburg. But the point is, we were supposed to go to Townsend, I think. But I told Sarah, I was like, hey, we should go to Gatlinburg, because
I didn't remember where we were.
yeah, and there was no reception, so we couldn't use maps or anything, so we had to rely on sheer memory. And if you have personally met me, I am the worst person to ask which way to go. I mean, it took me years to figure out which interstate I was on, going back and forth to UT. So if that puts anything into perspective for you, Claire's not good with directions. And I directed someone to Gatlinburg. But it's okay, it was kind of a group decision.
Yeah.
So we're all right. We're headed back to the apartment now, and all is well. We just wanted to swing by Gatlinburg and kind of update you guys that this is real life.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. Things don't go according to plan sometimes. We're back at Honeybee Coffee for round 2. I got an iced vanilla latte. I know that's kind of basic, but figured why not. So we're gonna try it. Tastes like coffee.
How disappointing.
I don't taste any vanilla. Little update on the coffee. I just finished drinking it, and I still would have to agree that Capybara Coffee is the best place to get coffee. But I was just about to start making vegetable lasagna, and I was preparing it. I started cutting into the zucchinis, and that's when I realized the zucchinis were cucumbers. I can't really make cucumber lasagna, so not gonna be making vegetable lasagna tonight. I will be doing it definitely tomorrow because Friday I'm leaving, so stay tuned for that. And I'm not sure what else we have planned today. Just gonna probably eat some other form of dinner. We ended up making stuffed peppers, if you couldn't tell.
You don't see anything.
I see everything. This camera sees everything. It's been documenting it the whole time.
Okay, we're gonna try the stuffed pepper. Much better than last time. Last time we just put a little bit too much vinegar and lime in it, and it was really sour. So this time it is not sour. Hey guys, it's day 4 of the spring break, and today is kind of a relaxing sort of day. I am gonna be making that vegetable lasagna. I had to run to Publix yesterday and get zucchinis. Now we're all set to make it. I just finished my first class of the day, which was pathophysiology. It was only 18 minutes long, so that was super fun. And yeah, and then we're gonna be going to Capybara, get some hot chocolate, maybe head over to a local park. I'm not really sure because it's supposed to rain, but just come along for a nice, relaxing day. I just took the vegetable lasagna out of the oven, and here is the finished product. It looks pretty good. Let's get an up-close shot of the crispy panko breadcrumbs. I'll let you guys know how it is once we try it. It has to cool first. Hey guys, so I thought I'd show you that I am actually a college student still in school. I have a Zoom class right now. Don't worry, I am on mute. At least I hope so. Yep, I am. And I'm in philosophy, my favorite class. Just kidding, that's not my favorite class at all. So I'm going to be in class, and I'm probably gonna try the vegetable lasagna while I'm in class because he's gonna be talking a lot in the beginning. So that's gonna be nice to have some good lunch and dinner. Sarah's cutting the lasagna. She proudly cut the squash and the orange peppers.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
And Claire proudly did the rest.
Let's see. Is it cheesy?
Oh, it's good.
Oh,
it looks
look
good.
at the steam. Oh, that's hot. Pressure's on. If it's not good, she'll make a face pretty soon. She will let us know.
It's good.
Really?
It's hot. Burnt my tongue a little bit, but it's good.
Oh boy, guys. You heard it. She normally says things are okay, so that's a pretty big accomplishment. Let's try it too. Hold on. I thought I'd also let you guys know I have never made lasagna before, even meat lasagna, so this was a whole new ball game. Now that is what a meal should be.
Yeah, you should send the recipe.
Yeah, that's really good. Because after trying to do this with cucumbers, I'm proud to say that it all worked out. I'm gonna eat this and go to class. Actually, we're in class. Okay, guys, welcome back to Baking with S and C. That was so cheesy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be making chocolate lava mug cakes, and that sounds delicious. What do you say, Sarah?
I say yes. I'm giving them that high quality commentary that they're used to.
Oh yeah, you heard it. She said yes. Truffles and a bunch of other things. You can just kind of see that is what we're gonna be doing, and the end product is
Not on this page.
exactly.
This
Oh,
was gonna look
that is what it's gonna look like minus the ice cream.
Yeah, we're not. Yeah,
Yeah, we want to be a little bit healthy.
just a little bit.
Yeah, not too much though.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what our chocolate lava cakes are currently looking like. We'll see what they look like after they've been microwaved. Comment down below if this looks appealing to you guys. Sometimes looks are deceiving and we never want to judge a cake by its outward appearance. Let's put this one in the microwave. Guys, look at the difference between the rise in mine versus Sarah's. We're wondering if we just added more baking powder than normal. Every master chef knows that cake in a mug is not complete without whipped cream, so that's the way Clairified Creations does it.
Guess I'm not a master chef.
Yeah, Sarah doesn't like whipped cream, guys. The cake was absolutely terrible. We do not recommend trying the lava cake in a mug, at least that recipe. It was dry and very inedible. Well, guys, it is the end of the night. It is 11:42, so it's almost midnight. That is the end of spring break.
It's over, kids.
Time for school.
Yeah. Get back to work.
Bye. What kind of cheese is that now?
This is finely shredded Italian style cheese. Shredded low moisture, part skim mozzarella, provolone.
Cheese is a good source of protein. Who would have known?
Pick it up. Pick it up. Let's act like it never happened.
Okay, guys, welcome back to Baking with S
And C.
Operation Save the Stuffed Peppers. If you want to donate, go to 1-800-SAVE-A-PEPPER today.
There's always one! It happens every time without fail!
She just got too excited. There's a high mountain, there's an even higher mountain, and some mid-range mountains for you.
And if you look down, there's some grass. That's
Yeah.
some grass right there, and that's a taller bladed grass than that one over there.
You can
It's a
just
turtle.
like screenshot it and get a picture if you want.
Hey.
If you want to lay across those things and smile.
Okay, guys, this is a caterpillar. Sarah is directing this video. Hey. Is that a pelican?
You see,
I-J-A-M-S, but it's pronounced Imes. Why
Yeah.
did you put the J in there?
See, they like to
Just
make
for
it
the fun of it?
complicated. I think so. Sarah called it iJams. iJams. Yeah, but it's not pronounced iJams. It's Imes.
Let's just watch it.
That's the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna try and turn around.
Now go outside and introduce them to your animals.
Okay. I'm gonna try and go downstairs. Oh, side. Okay.
She told me what she wanted. She said she wanted watermelon in front of her house and bright blue
Bloopers. Bright blue banners.
That's right.